Hello and welcome to Islantilla in the beautiful south of Spain. So let's ask Joanna, why are we here in Islantilla?
We are moving to Spain.
Yes, it's true. We moved to Spain. And now I'm here on our lovely balcony in Islantilla enjoying a nice toast with tomato, pesto and mozzarella. This has been one of my go-to high protein, very satisfying meals. And now I'm bulking so I can enjoy a lot of bread. Spain is very close to Portugal. I don't know if you know, but it's right beside it. So it's not too far of a commute. It's about 3.5 hours by car, which is pretty good because we can go and see the family very often. And we're also going to spend half of the year in Portugal, so it's going to be 50-50. So the closeness is very, very convenient. So far, it's been a very nice experience. The weather here is very, very good. I mean, it's almost November, and as you see, I'm shirtless on the terrace of the house, and I'm getting a nice tan in. So you couldn't ask for anything better. So if you're new to the channel, this channel is all about a healthy lifestyle, enjoying good food, enjoying travel, doing sports, going to the gym, all of that sort of stuff. Very good vibes. So what does this move to Spain actually mean for the channel? Honestly, it gets me really excited because it means new places, different food, new gyms. The gyms here are absolutely amazing. So all in all, it's going to be a lot of good content, a lot of good videos that I'm very excited to film. Honestly, I don't even know where to start, so I'm just starting here. Welcome to Islantilla, welcome to Spain, welcome to our new life, essentially. So very, very happy about it. So this is the garden area in the middle of the buildings, which is very, very cool. We've got a bunch of grass for Piggy to pee on. We've got this very nice lake, which has some turtles, some fish, some frogs and stuff. And then all around you have the little houses. So overall, very, very cool. So this is the lake that runs through the middle here of the garden. Pretty cool. You can't really see them now, but this has some fishes. Oh, there they are. Look at the amount of fishes. Honestly, they're probably radioactive because of this water. Doesn't really look like the healthiest, but they're alive. So there is one of the turtles. Its friend just ran away and jumped into the water. So as Joanna says, this is Piggy's toilet. All of this, never seen a toilet this big, but he thoroughly enjoys it. And now Joanna and I are going to play some Sunday morning paddle before we head out and about to do some stuff, some activities. We're going to show you guys the courts. Paddle is done. It's pretty sunny, so it got hot quickly. What were we playing for? 20 minutes? 35 minutes? Okay, I thought that was less. So pretty nice to start Sunday off, right? This is our pool. So this is one of the pools here in the middle of the condominium. You've got the houses around, as you can see. And the problem is, supposedly you can't use them during the winter because they stopped doing maintenance in them. But it's such an amazing day. I mean, how the hell are you not going to use this? Absolutely outstanding. So just going to enjoy the vibes here for a little bit, and I'll see you guys later. And now, after a dip in the pool, this is my nice little sunbathing area overlooking the other pool. I don't know why I don't like this one as much, because it has the houses closer to it. I don't know, it just feels less private. The other one has more space around it, but it's a nice sound to just be chilling here. I've got my partner. He's got the cone because he was misbehaving, licking his paws. Now it's time to chill here for a bit and get a nice tan. Look at this setup. That. Oof. Couldn't ask for a better Sunday morning. So now that we've told you that we're going to be moving to Spain, might as well give you a house tour. Here we go. This is the butler, but all he does is dirty up the house instead of clean. These are the footsteps I left after going into the pool. Very nice. So this is the kitchen, pretty cool, nice fridge, got everything you need. Then it's an open space and you have the lounge here with Joana being very productive after paddle. This is Piggy's spot, loads of covers so that he doesn't dirty up the sofa, and that's his a little ramp so that he can get up without hurting his back. Then we've got this nice terrace with this amazing little table, my tanning spot, and you've got this nice view of the other houses in this cluster and a little pool. We've got this little closet where you store the mop and the clothes hanger and stuff, and then you have these little stairs up here which have a nice view, by the way. Stairs keep going up and we have terrace number 2, and this one is pretty big. Look at that, one table over there. This is where the other table was, but I moved it over here so that I could have my breakfast with the sun shining on me. So this is the other perspective, and here is the view of the other pool where I went to dip in. As you can see, the houses are much further away from the pool. Very cool terrace. The only problem is you have to come up the stairs, so this one is much more convenient and it's where I spend most of my time. But look at that view, so nice. Let's go back down and I'll show you the rest of the place. This is the main bedroom, got a nice closet, bed, bathroom, excuse the mess, with a bathtub, cool. And then we move on to the guest bathroom. It's got a shower in here. Lighting is all flashy. And the main attraction, this is Piggy's bedroom. That's our vacuum cleaner, Piggy's friend. That's his bed. This is our ironing to do. And we've got 2 nice little twin beds here. Another closet, pretty spacious. And here you have a view of the pool. It looks like you're in prison, but still pretty cool. And that is it, guys. This is the house. Pretty decent sized, very good location, honestly. We're 20 minutes away from the beach on foot, maybe 5 minutes by car. And best of all, we've got this very nice terrace that lets us enjoy the sun all throughout the winter because this is a very sunny place. And that is it for the house tour.